India? Recording in progress.
You're in India? Oh, are you safe? Are you okay?
For now. Somehow I got here.
Yeah, you got a flight and everything. How did you manage?
Just the day I was supposed to come, I got next day onwards itself. I just went to my sister's engagement.
And now you'll be here for? So you are alone here?
No, with my kids. But we want to live in as fast as possible.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, so now let's revise everything now that we've finished most of what we had to do. Let's do little everything. We'll do the shlok, we'll do tatkar, we'll do the avtaran, the todas, the kavit, and then the tatkar paltas that we did yesterday, and then the tihai. Okay, let's start. Let's do the pranam. Now you all are independent. Now you don't need me to dance. Now you all can walk without holding my finger. Paltas, you'll remember Prithvi yesterday what we did, no? Because you've learned it before, you will remember it once we reach there.
Okay.
Let's do the pranam and we'll start with one, two, three, start. Kshiti, Jal, Pavak, समीर और गगन, इन पांचों तत्वों को हम प्रणाम करते हैं. Let's start with Karpur Gauram. What happened, Prithvi? The new place, so forgot the steps.
I'll process.
Okay, let's do the tatkar now. Only tatkar. Trinity, only tatkar. Okay, we'll go to Dugun.
thầy tất ta thầy thầy tất a thầy 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 thầy.
Okay, Jogun.
A thầy thầy tất ta thầy thầy tất 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 a thầy thầy tất ta.
Okay. Let's do the tatkar, the tihai that we do after tatkar.
One, 3, start. Ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất thầy ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất thầy ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất thầy 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 ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất thầy ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất thầy ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất thầy 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 ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất thầy ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất thầy ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất thầy 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 ta.
Okay, let's do the paltas that we did yesterday.
Thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất ta 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 thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất ta thầy thầy tất पलटे ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất ta thầy thầy tất tất a thầy thầy tất ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất tất ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất ta thầy thầy tất tất a thầy thầy tất ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất tất. Next, ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất ta thầy thầy tất 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 a thầy thầy tất ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất 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 ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất ta thầy thầy tất 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 a thầy thầy tất ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất tất. Next, ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất ta thầy thầy tất 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 a thầy thầy tất ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất 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 ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất ta thầy thầy tất 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 a thầy thầy tất ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất tất tất. Next, ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất ta thầy thầy tất 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 a thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất 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 ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất ta thầy thầy tất 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 a thầy thầy tất ta thầy thầy tất a thầy thầy tất 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 ta.
Okay. Now let's do all the todas.
One, 2, 3, start. Tất 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 dig tha dig thầy tất 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 dig tha dig thầy tất 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 dig tha dig thầy dig tha dig thầy dig tha dig thầy dig tha dig thầy.
Okay, thai will open the hand. Remember I told you to take an ending pose. So thai will open the hand. Ha. Second one.
1, 2, 3, start. Tất tất thun thun dig tha dig thầy tất thun thun dig tha dig dig thei tak tak thun thun dig tha dig dig thei dig tha dig dig thei dig tha dig dig thei dig tha dig dig thei
Next one.
2 3 start tat tat tram thei dig tha dig dig thei tat tat tram thei dig tha dig dig thei tat tat tram thei dig tha dig dig 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 thei
Next one.
1 2 3 start tat tat thei tat tat thei dig tha dig dig thei tat ta thei dig tha dig dig thei tat ta thei dig tha dig dig thei tat ta thei
Once more, no problem.
1 2 3 start tat tat thei tat tat thei dig tha dig dig thei tat ta thei dig tha dig dig thei tat ta thei dig tha dig dig thei tat ta thei
Next one.
1 2 3 start tat tat thun thun tat tat thun thun dig tha dig dig thei tat thun ta tha thun ta tha thun ta tha
Once more.
1 2 3 start tat tat thun thun tat tat thun thun dig tha dig dig thei tat thun ta tha thun ta tha thun ta tha
Next one.
1 2 3 start tat tat thei tram thei tat tat thei tram thei dig tha dig dig thei ta thei dig tha dig dig thei ta thei dig tha dig dig thei ta thei
Once more.
1 2 3 start tat tat thei tram thei tat tat thei tram thei dig tha dig dig thei ta thei dig tha dig dig thei ta thei dig tha dig dig thei ta thei
Let's do the Ganesh Kavit.
tha thìn thìn tha thìn thìn tha tin tin ta thìn thìn tha thìn thìn tha thìn thìn tha tin tin ta thìn thìn tha gang 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 Ganapati Ganesh Jai.
Okay, this is how the timing is. Let's try again.
tha thìn thìn tha thìn thìn tha tin tin ta thìn thìn tha thìn thìn tha thìn thìn tha tin tin ta thìn thìn tha gang 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 Ganapati Ganesh Jai. Siddhi Vinayak Vighna Vinashak Vakrtund Ekdant Lambodar Bhuj Vishal Modak Priya Buddhi Pradata Riddhi Siddhi Data प्रथम पूज्य अनुपम गणपति तक धुम किट तक जय 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 तक धुम किट तक जय 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 तक धुम किट तक जय 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 जय
Okay. This is all you have to do in the exam, yes? Okay. Now let's practice the Padhant.
Do we have to do? When Ganesh Kavit ends, we were discussing that we have to do this Tihai, like Tihai.
We practiced the high first only, no? Today, that's why I'm not doing.
For exam,
You all will receive the audio, then you see the final order in that. Okay, we'll revise the padhant. Okay, first let's just revise Teen Tal Theka. Come Srinidhi, we are doing padhant. Sit now. Srinidhi, can you recite Teen Tal Theka?
tat 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 dida didi.
Theka. Theka.
Tadi dinta tadi.
What is Theka?
Ta din din ta.
Yes, so what are the syllables? It's not ta, no? What are the correct syllables?
I don't know.
You don't know Teen Tal Theka? You're saying it also, but you're not pronouncing it properly. So see in your notes, no? You've written no Theka.
Grandma's house.
Dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha.
Din ta din ta din ta.
You don't remember it. You're saying it incorrectly. Please practice this. This is a basic question they will ask you. Teen Tal Theka is basic. You need to know this. Ek gun, dugun, chogun, everything. Prithvi, can you recite Teen Tal Theka ek gun to adgun?
Din, din, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, tha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dha, dhin, din, ta, dha, din, din, ta, dha, din, din, ta.
What?
Sorry, one. Dha, dha, din, din, dha.
Please practice this, huh? Okay. Krishnendu, can you recite?
Tha, thin, thin, ta, tha, thin, thin, ta, tha, thin, thin.
You all are saying any syllables, all three of you all. You all are not pronouncing the syllables correctly. You cannot say tha, tin, dhin anywhere. You have to say it as it is. Dha is dha, dhin is dhin, ta is ta, and tin is tin. They are all four different sounds. Okay? First, so tha is no sound. There is no sound as tha. It is dha with a D, D for dog, or it is ta with a T, or it is dhin, or it is tin. These are the only sounds used. So you have to say it with clarity because everything is sounding the same. So please practice this because this is a basic passing question. Okay? Same way they will ask you Teen Tal Tatkar. So how will you recite that?
Te, te, ta.
So say it. You have to say it with like this, no? Ta, thei. There's nothing that you will just say. You always have to say it in the tal. So say the tatkar now.
Ta, the, tat. A, the, tat. Ta, the, tat. A, the, tat. Tha, te, 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 tat. A, te, 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 tat.
Correct. Okay. Now can you all recite Dadra Tal?
Agena, thinaka, dina.
Okay, that is Keherwa Tal, what you are saying. You have to remember Dadra is the shorter Tal. The word is short, Dadra is 6 beats. Keherwa is long, Keherwa is 8 beats.
Dagena, thinaka, dina.
That is Keherwa. I am asking you Dadra.
Da, da, dhatina,
Datina, Datuna.
Dhadhina Dhatuna. Okay, it's not Ti. Dhadhina Dhatuna. Please practice this. Okay. Now let's recite the todas in Teen Tal that we've learnt. Srinidhi, pick any toda, recite it in the Theka.
Tat tat te, ta te, tat tat te, ta te, digda dig dig te, ta te, digda dig dig te, ta te, digda dig dig te, ta te.
This is not in rhythm. And tat tat thai, ta thai. It's tat tat thai, tram thai, not ta thai. And right now when you recited it, you've not said it in rhythm. You've adjusted it. It's out of tempo, absolutely.
Shall I say once more? Tat tat te, tram te, tat.
Tram is not on beat. Tat tat thai, tram thai, tat tat. You need more practice in this. Prithvi, recite any toda.
tat, thun, digda, dig, the. Tat, thun, digda, dig, the. Digda, dig, the, digda, dig, the, digda, dig, the. Sorry, I had to tell 3 times.
Say again.
Tat, thun, digda, dig, the. Tat, thun, digda, dig, the. Tat, thun, digda, dig, the. Digda, dig, the, digda, dig, the, digda, dig, the.
Okay, Krishnendu, recite any toda.
Tat tat tran, digda dig dig te. Tat tat tran, digda dig dig te. Tat tat tran, digda dig dig te. Digda dig dig te, digda digda dig dig te, digda dig dig te, digda dig dig te.
Tat tram thai. What else? Ganesh Kavit, who will recite? Chalo, so this is all you all have to remember the Padanta. I will ask you all now next week onwards, one by one I'll ask, because when I'm saying and you all are saying over there, I'm not understanding whether you have learnt it or no, okay? When you are asked like this in pressure, you should be able to say it. Only then we know you actually know it. So we need more practice. Okay, now similarly they can ask you how to recite Tihai also. So one is what you've already learnt, the Tatkar Tihai. Second, you can say a simple Tihai also. So you will learn both. Okay, first a simple one, just the phrases Tathai Thaitat Athai Thaitat Thai, Tathai Thaitat Athai Thaitat Thai, Tathai Thaitat Athai Thaitat Thai. Simple Tihai. And you will say it in the speed of Dugun, remember. Tathai Thaitat Athai Thaitat Thai, Tathai Thaitat Athai Thaitat Thai, Tathai Thaitat Athai Thaitat Thai. Just a simple Tihai. 1, 2, 3, start. Tathai Thaitat Athai Thaitat Thai, Tathai Thaitat Athai Thaitat Thai, Tathai Thaitat Athai Thaitat Thai. You're making a mistake in your count only, Prithvi. This only you're making a mistake. You count extra sometimes. You skip something. One more. Why we are doubtful about this now? What Tali only? How can we be doubtful? You are doing it since so long now. This should be like counting. It's not like in stress we forget how to count, na? At least this. And anyway, Prithvi, you are very stressed and you might be stressed at that time also. We don't want the stress to come in our performance, okay? So practice it so much that whatever your emotional state is at that time, you are able to give your best. Because I know you know things, but then what happens is in that anxiety, aati hui cheez nahi aati hai. That's the worst feeling, and that regret is very bad. We don't want that. Ganesh Kavit. No. Practice that also. Okay. Now this Tihai that we are doing after the Tatkar, you all should know how to say it. There are 3 phrases in that. First, Tathai Thaitat Athai Thaitat Thai. Second phrase, Tathai Thaitat Athai Thaitat Thai Ta. Third phrase, Tathai Thaitat Athai Thaitat Thai 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 Ta. So first is a single Thai. Second is a Thai Ta. Third is a Thai 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 Ta. Okay, now that gap, Thai is a little tricky. So you can even for ease say Thai Ta instead of saying Thai Ta. It's the same time value, so it won't make a difference. Okay, now you have to recite this in Chogun. Remember, it's very important to remember which Tihai is in which Laikari. So first your phrase is Tathai Thaitat Athai Thaitat Thai. Everything is coming on beat. 1, 2, 3, go. Tathai Thaitat Athai Thaitat Thai. Now your second phrase is not starting on beat. It is starting off beat. So how is it? Tathai Thaitat Athai Thaitat Thai Ta. Correct. So when you combine the first and the second phrase, there's no gap. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei, ta. The third phrase is also starting offbeat. So ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei, ta, thei, ta, thei, ta. Again, third phrase. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei, ta, thei, ta, thei, ta. So now all three when you combine. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei, ta. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei, ta, thei, ta, thei, ta. This whole thing you are going to say 3 times. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, go. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei, ta. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei, thei, ta, thei, ta. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei, ta. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei, thei, ta, thei, ta. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei, ta. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei, ta, thei, ta, thei, ta. Now when you recite the same thing in theka, when you have to see the offbeat, you have to ensure that your clap finger is also going according to that. So wherever it is offbeat, your finger will go ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, but you keep changing your fingers as per the theka. So let's say this tihai now. 1, 2, 3, go. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei, ta. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei, ta, thei, ta, thei, ta. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei, ta. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei, ta, thei, ta, thei, ta. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei, ta. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei, ta, thei, ta, thei, ta. Now this is a longer one, so you have to be very focused so that you don't miss any tali or khali. Otherwise the simple tihai is to say that one. Ta thei thei tat, that one. Now that simple tihai is in dugun. So ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei. Don't wait on thei. On that e is a gap. You have to let it go. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei, gap. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei, gap. Ta thei thei tat, a thei thei tat, thei. Like that. Now whatever you recite, you have to always first recite the theka of the tal, so that we are in sync, and then you start reciting the toda. If they say recite toda, doesn't mean you have tat 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 tat. Don't start directly. Dha, dhin, dhin. Make a tempo. Dha, dhin, dhin. Like that. Recite the whole theka. Tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin. Start. Tat, tat, thai. Tat, tat, thai. So there are no room for mistakes then. Even if they're asking you, suppose they're saying recite the chogun of the tatkar, recite dugun of the theka, anything they ask you, you will always first recite simple theka and then the dugun or then the chogun or whatever they ask you. Okay, let's now continue with the little bit theory that we were doing yesterday. Okay, so we finished. We had finished matra, sam, tal, all of that lay. Now we had skipped vibhag, so let's come to that. So basically the entire tal, the total number of beats that any tal has, is its important identity. The moment you say a tal, you have to always follow it up with how many beats that tal has. The second important thing is how are those beats grouped. Yes, so those groups are known as vibhag or divisions. For example, in teen tal there are how many vibhag? 4 vibhag. Of how many beats each? 4 beats in every vibhag. So this is giving a tal its structure. That is the importance of the vibhag. If this was different, if it was 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 like that 8 times, then it would give a different structure to the tal. Then the syllables would not be dha, din, din, dha. For example, dha, din, din, da, they look like one group, no? Starting with dha, ending with dha. Dha, din, din, da. Dha, din, din, ta. Ta, din, din, da. It was 2, 2, it would be different, the syllables. So if they ask you what is vibhag or what is the importance, you have to explain like this. Give them an example that it is the what constitutes the tal, basically the beats, and how the beats are grouped gives structure to the tal. Now vibhag is of 2 types, tali and khali. Either you will depict a vibhag with clap or you will depict with no clap. So either tali or khali. Tali is known as sashabd kriya because it has sound, sashabd kriya. Khali is known as nihishabd kriya because there is no sound. Yeah. So how do you explain tali? You have to say whenever you depict a beat or a vibhag, matra or a vibhag, by clapping with both the hands, it is known as tali. Simple. And when you depict a beat or a vibhag by not clapping but taking the hand on one side, then it is khali. And you always support your definition with an example. So in teen tal, where are all the talis? Which beats do you depict through tali?
One, four, and 5 and 10.
How 10? It will be after every 4, no? So it has to be a 4th number.
9.
9 is khali.
Padli.
So don't guess like this. You should remember this. 1, 5, 13 is tali, 9 is khali. If they're asking you which vibhag is on tali, then you have to say first vibhag, second vibhag, fourth vibhag, because they're asking the entire group. Which vibhag is on khali? Third vibhag. Okay. If they're asking you matra, you have to be specific about matra. Same way in Keherwa Tal, you all will recite the theka, then you all will remember which vibhag is on tali, which is on khali. We finished avartan. Now let's move on to the next definitions. Coming to theka. Now theka means the original sounds of the tal. Original means what? What we are doing is the dancer's version. We are copying what is the instrument version. So when a tal is made, it is made on an instrument, right? On a rhythmic instrument. So it comes with its own original syllables. That is theka. Okay? So the tal theka for teen tal theka will be dha dhin din dha. That whole thing. Dadra is dha dhina dhatuna. Keherwa is dhage nati nak dhin. And as you will advance, you will keep learning different tals with its thekas, with its tatkars. So simple difference between theka and tatkar is theka is sounds of instrument, tatkar is sounds of the dance, the foot. This is a very basic difference. So if theka is the original syllables, what is tatkar? Tatkar is the basically sound reproduction that you do through your feet. A Kathak dancer will reproduce the syllables of the theka through footwork, and that action is known as tatkar. Because we cannot produce the sound dha din din da, dha tin tin ta from our feet. We can just follow the structure. Our sounds will be ta thai thai tat. So if they are asking you difference between the concept theka, the concept tatkar, this is how you have to explain it. That tatkar is a translation of the theka for the dancer. Tatkar is the first lesson that the dancer learns to understand the theka through the footwork. Because feet is our instrument. We understand rhythm through footwork. We understand the sounds through footwork. The lay through footwork. Tat means the foot sound and kar means shape, to give shape. So who are you giving the shape to? To the theka. But if they are asking you difference between teen tal tatkar and teen tal theka, so they are specifically asking you something. So here you don't have to give, of course the theka is dha din din da and tatkar is ta thai thai tat. But the major difference is that teen tal theka has 16 sounds. And tatkar has just 8 sounds which you repeat 2 times to fit into 16. So now the maths becomes different. This is the difference you have to explain. So if theka is of 16 different syllables, tatkar is 8 syllables repeated twice. So how does the maths get affected when you are reciting in ek gun? Theka you will recite once and you will end on sam in one cycle. But tatkar you will recite twice the whole set to end on sam. So it will always be a 1:2 ratio. So even dugun, theka you have to recite twice, tatkar you will have to recite 4 times. In chogun, if you are reciting theka 4 times, tatkar you will have to recite that many more times, 16 times, 8 times, whatever. Adgun. So this relation you have to explain. So it will always be double of the theka, any lekari, in one cycle.
In Theta, if there are 16 beats, like 16 sounds, but we fit the dogun, chogun, atgun within those 16 only. So then why this ratio? Like how I understand, like while in Tatkar there are eight those steps that we do, and it occurs twice to fit into that 16. But Tatkar, what I have, like in that Layakari also, it's always 16. Whether we are doing Ekgun, Dogun, Chaugun, Atgun, we are doing it in that only. So what is this one?
1:2 ratio is the number of times the syllables, the whole set is being repeated. So when you're saying ek gun of the theka, you're saying dha, dhin, dhin, dha, and your count is also going 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So once the entire set of 16 syllables, I say it one time. But when it is in dugun, I'm saying dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha. I finished my 16 syllables once here, one set. And from here, I'm starting again, so I'm saying the second set. So they are asking you the number of times you're repeating those 16 syllables set in one cycle. And in tatkar, it will become ta, thai, thai, tat, a, thai, thai, tat. Here you finished one. Ta, thai, thai, tat, a, thai, thai, tat. Here two. Ta, thai, thai, tat, a, thai, thai, tat. Three. Ta, thai, thai, tat, a, thai, thai, tat. 4. So because it is 8, you will have to say it 4 times in dugun. So that is the 1:2 ratio that you have to explain. ठीक है. Okay, there are 3 more definitions that we can do next class, but this is majorly what they will ask you. Okay, all these things, focus on the padhant and we'll keep practicing like this. And arrange for your white kurtas, your white leggings, ghungroos, a bottle green dupatta, or else any dupatta with white or any kurta legging set with dupatta works. Okay, even the names of the mudras, whatever you've used in your kavit, whatever you've used in your shloka, make a list of what you've used, so you should know the names.
And what are the minutes? There was like 5 mudras or 4 mudras. How?
There's no number, because it's just level 1, no? So they'll just say, name a few mudras that you've used.
Okay.
So I have taught these people in an order, na? We do pataka, then we do tripataka, artha pataka, kartari, mukha, like that we do it in an order. So once more, let me reshare that video also, just in case it's gone back somewhere.
Ma'am, next exams in first week of April.
6th April, 5th or 6th April, your date will be 6th April. We are trying Monday evening.
Three weeks from now.
हो जाएगा. Now you all know what all you have to practice, so just prep well.
So there was Hindi notes sent in the group. So that one and this one are same, or this is some this English note?
Same only.
There it was given like columns, columns.
That was the writing which you all have already written, the theka and all that. We're talking about the difference between. That is the differences between the concepts. So that though now we are explaining only, no, like this. 1 second. Wait. That also. See, this also I'll send you all. Difference also I'll send the document. See, I suggest you all begin with what I've sent you. This difference, we will discuss this once we discuss all the concepts. There are 3 definitions pending. Then it will be easy to discuss the differences also. Okay, abhi don't in this week, don't overburden yourself. Just wait. Once you know the definitions properly, you will be able to differentiate. Like now you know what is theka, what is tatkar, so you can differentiate. You know what is avartan, you know what is sum, you can differentiate. So like that conceptually they will ask. You don't need to like load your brain with 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. That those notes are more because people have started writing their exam also. So I have like documented it like that. That for writing also it will help. But if you're explaining verbally, you don't have to say point number 1, difference is this and this, this is this and this. You have to explain the concept. That avartan is the full cycle, sum is the first beat of the cycle. Avartan is the total number of beats, sum is the first beat. So simple like that they will ask you because they want to know whether the terms are handy for you or not. It's more this way that you have to understand.
Remember we are doing tatkar. So when like when we are doing egun, dogun, and we are doing it with hastaks. So when the first hastak like finishes and then we transition into the second one, so would we say that is one avartan?
That's right. But hastak is not there in your exam. That is just a rhythmic. It's just we practice in class. Hastak is not asked to you. But yes, that is 1 hour. Then when you transition, now whether you transition correctly or no is a different thing because I have made them do 2-3 sessions of this only where we were just doing hastakas because they were all making mistakes.
Yeah.
So if you've seen that class, you will know where I've explained. We sat and we counted the avartan in that whole tatkar audio together. So
Do they test that?
no. They will not test with hastak like that. But avartan, you know, it is 1 time cycle of 16 beats. So that is an avartan. Yes, dear. Bolo.
Exam for first level.
What about it?
Do we have a written exam for first level?
No, Srinidhi. Why are you asking these questions? If there was theory, you think we would be stuck here? We're discussing Viva like this. We've discussed this so many times. Theory is from 3rd level. 2 years is only oral exam now. I would have been giving you writing notes and practicing, no, if there were theory. Now don't ask doubts for the sake of it. If you all really have something, say. We've discussed these things many times.
Ma'am, I really have a doubt whether we have written exam. That's why I asked.
Are you saying that 15th March and your exam is on 5th April and I wouldn't have told you only there's a theory exam? It can't be like that, no? How far are we from? I would not give you any written practice. I would not tell you anything. It's not possible, no? Chalo. We'll end for today. See you all on Saturday now.
Pranam, ma'am.
Pranam.
No.